You might all have heard about what is big data. So let's get started. Big data is the next big thing in the IT world. It burst data upon the scene in the first decade of the 21st century. The first organization to embrace it were online and startup firms. Firms like Google, eBay, LinkedIn, and Facebook were built around big data from the beginning. What is big data? It is similar to small data, but it is bigger in size. It is having data bigger, but it requires different approaches, techniques, tools, and architecture to store it, process it, and make it available to the user as and when required. It is an aim to solve the new problems or old problems in a better way. So, Facebook handles 40 billion photos from its users base. Walmart, that is a shopping app, it handles more than 1 million customer transactions every hour, according to the survey. Then there are three characteristics of big data, or you may also call as 3 V's. So what are these? Volume, velocity, and variety. Volume means the data quantity, velocity means the data speed, variety means the data types. There are many different types of data like audio, video, documents, many more. Why big data? The growth of big data is needed because increase of the storage capacities, increase of the processing power, availability of data. Like as a human being, we go to Facebook, we store the data, like upload the data, we process it and it get uploaded. And if we want it to have a look, so that must be available to us. That is called as availability of data. Every day we create 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. 90% of the data in the world today has been created in the last 2 years alone. FB generates 10 TB daily. Twitter generates 7 TB of data daily. TB means terabytes. IBM claims 90% of the today's data was generated in the last 2 years. Data sources. The data sources can be users, application systems, sensors, and many more. They generate large and growing files called as big data files. Example of the data generation points that are mobile devices, microphones, readers or scanners, science facilities, programs or software, social media, cameras, and many more. Benefits of big data. Real-time big data isn't just a process of storing petabytes or exabytes of data in the warehouse. It's about the ability to make better decisions and take meaningful actions at the right time. It is fast forward to the present, and technologies like Hadoop give you the scale and flexibility to store data before you know how you are going to process it. Technologies such as MapReduce, Hive, Impella enable you to run queries without changing the data structures underneath. Big data is already an important part of the $64 billion database and data analytics market. It offers commercial opportunities for a comparable applications. It can be used in government, international development, manufacturing, cyber physical models, media, technologies, private sector, retail banking, real estate, science and research, in education, in medical, and many more. This can be used for storing, processing, and making it available to the user as and when it is required by the user.